Matthews, is that right, Ms. Bell?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Matthews?
Thank you, Your Honor. I am in receipt of this additional evidence. I did mention in chambers that I do have some concerns about the admissibility of these images without there being some sort of sufficient foundation as to how they are generated and what they are actually showing.
Do it.
But aside from that, Mr. Burrell has just asked me to file his
I haven't seen this one either. Oh my God, no.
certificate of live birth, and I do not know the relevance of that, and perhaps is that something you want to address with the court, Mr. Burrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or
I've been sick in the
John
hospital
would
for
say-
a couple of days. I haven't had a chance to really file the paperwork that I want to file to the court. I have a certificate of live birth here that's stating my status.
What's your status?
Alive.
All right, I assume you're alive since you're
this is always, this is already
sitting
fantastic.
here.
Okay, but you know, sometimes the courts assume that you are a corporate entity.
Are you a corporate entity?
I'm not.
Okay, I don't assume you're a corporate entity. I assume that
Okay.
you're Mr. Burrell sitting in front of me.
So, all right.
So you want to file a certificate of live birth to prove that you're a person?
I'm not a person.
What are you?
I'm I'm not a citizen.
Well,
I'm
you said, are you a person or you're not a person?
I'm not a person.
No, he's
I'm
going to
indigenous.
drag it out.
What does that mean?
I'm an American.
Drag all of
I
it
was
out.
born in this country.
Okay.
I'm not a United States citizen. I'm not.
What
Yes, this one is thank you to Brecken.
are you?
What a definition.
What do you have
citizen?
citizen? What are you a citizen of? Are you a citizen of
I'm
some
not a
other
citizen
entity?
of anything.
You're not a citizen of anything.
No.
Okay.
A citizen is a corporate fiction.
A corporate fiction?
Yeah, I mean it's a
Legal, you almost got another shout out.
definition. Like I said, this is the problem, Your Honor. Me and Mr. Matthews is having a hard time coming to an agreement about whether he's defending me or he's working with the prosecutor. We a lot of this evidence and stuff that's been presented to the court.
Nothing's been presented to me because we haven't had a trial yet.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. What's been presented to me, he's under the impression that I'm guilty or that he sees things that he doesn't see. And I've been trying, it's like we can't, if he's representing me or here on my behalf, then
So
it's not showing.
Is it your position that you don't like how Mr. Matthews evaluated the evidence in this case as it relates to
Not
you?
only the evidence, but
Okay.
just his whole attitude towards me and period. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's clear I didn't have anything on me.
Well, that's why we have trials. The purpose of a trial is for 12 people to sit here,
Okay.
listen to the evidence, and make a decision as to whether you did or did not do what you're accused of doing beyond a reasonable doubt. If they find
agree.
that you didn't do it beyond a reasonable doubt, then you're acquitted.
I agree, sir. But
Okay.
with that being said, it's things I'm asking him to do, and that it's my right for him to do whether or not he believes it's okay. So if I ask him to file something into the clerk of courts, it's my right to file those things.
So he's not filing something for you?
Well, I just asked him to, and he's made an argument of it.
If you rewind it a little bit, he said ax. But then he says ask.
When it should have just been something
What
he did.
what was it that you asked him that he won't, that he's
What I wanted
arguing?
him to, just to have it on the record, was my certificate of live birth. Whether or not you,
I mean, what is that? Tell me, let's say that the certificate of live birth is filed.
okay,
What impact does that have on your trial?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
No,
Not at all.
but they
But
told me
I
to
do
say
want
that
to
Mr.
on the
Matthews
internet.
is under an obligation as a member of a lawyer in good standing with the Supreme Court to file things that are done in good faith and are relevant. I mean, you could ask Mr. Matthews to file a copy of your high school graduation certificate, and that has no relevance to this case, and he would be under no obligation to file it. So you want him to file your certificate of your certificate of live birth to show something that you have just told me you don't know that it means anything.
Well, I
It's
know that
relevant.
it means something. I just don't think
The court video, is that what you're looking for?
that everybody else.
What does
knows
it mean?
means something. I just want on record that I'm not a citizen.
Well, you just said you are a
I
citizen.
never said I was a citizen.
You're an American.
I'm an American.
Okay, so if you're not a citizen, what impact does that have on your trial for next week?
I just want it on record.
Okay.
It's not. I don't need any impact on the trial.
If you believe, okay, and if I believe that the filing of your birth certificate means you're not a citizen, what impact does that have on your trial?
I'm not looking for an impact. I just want it on the record.
Well, it's on
For
the
my
record.
safety.
It's on the record. You believe you're not a
Okay.
citizen. Okay, now
Send me a DM on this one, Mark.
what?
This one came directly from Brecken. It came from the court, but I don't think the court has it up
All
anymore.
right, and then also I asked
Well,
him.
no, wait. Let's take one thing at a time.
Okay.
You've put on the record, because she's recording all this.
Yeah,
okay,
I got that.
that you're not a citizen, okay? So now what should we do as a result of that?
I mean, I just want my indigenous rights.
What are
That's
your
all.
indigenous rights?
You haven't looked at them?
No, you told me you want your indigenous rights. Tell me what your indigenous rights are.
Well, I know.
And I've always assumed he's called it Minecraft Court because of the fuzzy video at the bottom.
I fall under a certain constitution.
Which
and not
constitution?
under these, the American Constitution.
Okay, you fall under the American Constitution, okay?
I believe so, yeah.
So I believe so too.
You know, the Pope put out a letter to the rights of the indigenous people. Are you familiar with that?
I don't care what the Pope says. The Pope has no impact on the
Okay, then let's
jurisdiction of
move
his
forward,
court.
Your Honor.
Huh?
Let's move forward. Whatever you decide. I also asked him for his oath of office and the prosecutor's oath of office.
Okay.
I have your oath of office. I just wanted to have those paperwork.
Okay.
From my
Anything
record.
else you want to say?
Nope, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, he's it.
So we're going to have this trial, jury trial, January 20th at 8 a.m. And you will be provided the jury questionnaires like you normally are. And you've, unless you have changes to your trial briefs, I've
And our
already got
crayons.
those. And anything else that we need to discuss regarding this trial?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Mr. Matthews?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, then you got